Cindy from MyStyleSpot. Winter is in full force, and here in Utah we have lovely, beautiful mountains, but we tend to get some pretty nasty inversion, kind of fog-like crap in the air that's not good to breathe in and totally hides the sun. So sometimes it's a few weeks before you see the sun, and that's pretty depressing. In my life, I've definitely experienced SADS. If you don't know what that is, it's seasonal affective disorder. It just means that you tend to get like bummed, maybe a little bit more depressed when wintertime hits. I'm a summer girl through and through. I love the sun. I worship the sun, always have. And when winter comes, it kind of takes a toll on me, and it has for years. I'll find myself just like laying in the patio door window, just laying there in the sun for like an hour, just trying to take it in. I've done that several times over the years. So I'm really excited to share a really great product with you that's so great for anyone suffering from SADS, even if you just get a little depressed in the winter time, or anytime. Really, this is a great product to use. And it is the Carex light therapy lamp, as you can see here. This amazing lamp does so much for those suffering from SADS, depression. It's great for jet lag. If you have sleep disorders, it will also help you sleep better at night. It's also great for dementia as well, and just for maintaining overall wellness. It's a great mood boost as well. It has been shown to affect the brain chemicals that are linked to poor sleep and mood and loss of energy. Most of us are vitamin D deficient anyway. I would dare say pretty much all of us are. It's just kind of normal, whether you live in a sunny climate or not. Most of us aren't getting the vitamin D, especially here in the States. So I take a supplement anyway daily, which helps a lot. But because we're vitamin D deficient, this lamp will also come in handy for most of us, just for that reason. Light therapy has minimal risk. I mean, you're just gonna notice like a huge energy boost, mood boost. I use it first thing in the morning. That's definitely the best thing to do. You can also do a boost throughout the day for like 15 to 20 minutes. I actually did this yesterday. I was having kind of a crappy day and just was feeling like crap. So I turned on my light again for like another 20 minutes and just felt like immediately better. It really helps me just having the sunshine, the light, fake sunshine on me. And I really love it. So I use it first thing in the morning. You don't have to stare directly into it. It's totally safe though. It's not going to hurt your eyes. But you can look, it's really just getting the top of your eyelids and your face really that's going to make the biggest difference. So you don't have to be looking at it, just have it on you. So I'll sit at the table, eat my breakfast. I've actually been doing my meditation to it first thing in the morning as well. And I love it. I just notice immediate energy. I feel better. I'm ready to take on the day. And I'm not normally, I don't wake up happy. I've had to train myself to wake up in a better mood because I tend to be like the slow riser, don't want to get out of my comfy warm bed. Have my to-do list going through my head. I'm stressing about it. Mornings are not my favorite time, but this has definitely helped me in the last couple weeks since I've been using it. I feel like I'm more productive and just feel better and ready to take on the day and just an overall better mood. So it's really been great for me that way as well. I've absolutely loved it. It also can be great for skin if you have psoriasis issues too, which I didn't know about that, but just recently learned. That's pretty awesome. So it emits UV light, and the Carex light therapy, you can choose between 5,000 lux or 10,000 just by a switch of the button here on the side. So up is the 10,000 and then down is the 5,000. So you can tell it's not quite as bright as the 10, but you're definitely gonna get some great light there. So this is just a really great safe way to get that sunlight that we really need. In my 20s, I was addicted to tanning beds, and it's not necessarily for the tan, but I found myself just wanting that heat and feeling that sunlight on my face and body that I kept going through the winter until I had a family scare where someone got skin cancer. Luckily they survived, thank God. But that was enough to scare me off of tanning beds. So this is a great replacement for that. So much safer and healthier as well. You're probably not gonna get that tan, but at least you're gonna get the mood boost, the energy, just the overall awesome feeling that I used to get from tanning beds. And I will admit, I was totally addicted to them. So now I kind of am addicted to this light, which is awesome because it's really great for me. It'd be awesome for pets as well. I have indoor cats. They love to go outside in the summer. But I've found when I sit at the counter and use this in the morning, my cats will usually jump up in my lap and lay there too. Like I can tell they love it as well. So Really great for pets as well, not just the humans in your family. Most people notice it will ease symptoms within just a few days. So if you are experiencing depression or SADS or maybe just sleep disorders, you're having trouble sleeping at night, you're probably going to notice it right away, but definitely stay with it. Consistency is key. You're going to want to use it daily, maybe every other day, whatever you find works best for you, and keep using it. It's obviously best during fall, winter, and spring months when you're not going to be so much in the sun with summer.
The Carex Daylight Classic Plus Light Therapy Lamp is one of the biggest lamps on the market. It sits nicely on the countertop and angles down so it hits the top of your eyelids, giving you great light and great light therapy. It's easy to adjust. You can get 5,000 lux or 10,000 lux with this light. You can also adjust for angle and for height for the perfect light.
You can sit at a comfortable distance with it. You don't need to be right up in it. You can just be like, like that far from you. Anything, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna know it feels good. I've also, I'm a crappy sleeper, so I've really noticed a big difference just in the couple weeks of using it with my sleep. I've been falling asleep faster at night and staying asleep. And that's no easy feat for me. I tend to be a really horrible sleeper. If I wake up, my mind starts going, I can't go back to sleep. Same thing with falling asleep at night. My mind's going, I can't shut it down. But I've been sleeping much better, and I do accredit that to using this first thing in the morning for 45 minutes to an hour while I meditate and eat breakfast. And it's just really helped me out. So I am totally obsessed with this, stuck on it, love it. So glad it came into my life. And I really just want you guys to check it out for yourself. If you experience any of these symptoms, especially if you have SADS, do yourself a favor and try it because it's amazing. And I just have no doubt it's really gonna help you it's helped me. So it's really easy to use. And the cool thing about this lamp is a lot of them on the market are not near as big. You can see, this is pretty big. This face is the biggest one I've ever seen. And then you have a nice little feature for setting it on your counter. And you can also adjust it via height and angle. So it's really easy to adjust. For the height, you just push this button down here and you can see it comes up. So you get pretty good height on it. Or you can adjust it all the way to the bottom. And then to adjust the angle, you'll see on the side here, you have a button right here. And you'll press that and it can go all the way down like that. Or up like that. So you get a really good angle. I find that one works really good for me. That's generally where I keep it up. Set it on my counter, my kitchen counter, sit in my chair, have that on me. Amazing. So I have really loved using my Carex Light Therapy. I'm sold. Totally, I hope you guys will check it out for sure. And right now, the lovely, awesome people of Carex have given me a 20% off discount code to share with my viewers. So check them out. Use my code Cindy20 today. You'll see that below. Also, a link to find them on their website, which is carex.com. So be sure to check them out, you guys. Let me know your thoughts and feelings in the comments below. Do you suffer from SADS or depression? Have you tried light therapy? Have you tried the Carex Light Therapy? What's been your experience? I'd love to know. If you have questions, let me know. Definitely love to answer those for you, help you out the best I can. Thanks so much, you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe for free weekly awesome content, and I would really appreciate a thumbs up and a share if you don't mind as well. Thank you so much for watching, you guys.